Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the Messages Smart Suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Then in here, go down and tap on Smart Suggestions. Next, we go down and then tap on Messages. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, turn it on. When this is turned on, you can get suggestions for actions based on the message you are viewing. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.